Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Taylor and Stefan. So today I'm going to show you a healthy breakfast to have. So we have more of our red quinoa that we're going to cook today. So I think what's great about quinoa is it has all 7 amino acids. It has protein. It's actually a healthy protein. It has more protein than you could say rice. And all you do is you just use the seeds from the plant. And I'm also going to go ahead and link a video that I found pretty cool on Campbell's Freedom Farm, and it talks about quinoa. So what we're going to do first is I have my water going already, because with breakfast many people are always in a rush. So chop everything ahead. Like I have my onions already chopped. We're going to saute those while the quinoa cooks in the hot water. Okay, so since that's all done boiling, what we're going to do now is we're going to add our onions. We have a little habanero in there, and we're going to just saute everything, turn down the heat. And I think one of the things that I always disliked about quinoa is it was always so plain if you had it anywhere. So I think what you got to do is you got to just add all the flavors that you want in it, make it taste delicious, and then it's a great breakfast option. Then what we're also going to have with this is some avocado. So you could give a whole avocado per person. A few of mine had to go bad this morning. So we're each going to get about 2 on there. And then what else we're going to make is we're going to make a soft boiled egg, or soft fried egg, and we're going to put it right here. So with this, you get your protein, you get your healthy fats. You could even add a few more vegetables or maybe a little fruit to go with this as well. Okay, so I just want to show you this quick, honestly, this is a very simple breakfast. You just add a little onion, garlic, pepper. If you want hot pepper, I put habanero. You just make an egg, put whatever seasoning you want on it. And usually I put a whole avocado. I just happen to not have enough this morning. So this really is a simple breakfast where you're getting your proteins. You know, the only thing that I would add to this is maybe just add a little bit of fruit on the side. But usually I just eat a piece of fruit whenever I'm hungry. So this is perfect. Well, please subscribe, like, and share. And let me know of any other breakfast ideals you guys have.